Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Minecraft mods. First, you'll need to understand the two primary types of mods, client-side and server-side. Next, we'll identify the essential software required for installation, typically a mod loader like Forge or Fabric. Finally, we'll prepare your Minecraft game environment to ensure a smooth modding experience. The first crucial step is installing a mod loader. You'll download the appropriate version of Forge or Fabric that matches your Minecraft game. Once downloaded, simply run the installer, which will automatically integrate the loader into your game files. After installation, launch Minecraft and check for the new profile to confirm it's ready. Now for the fun part, adding your mods. Find and download your chosen mods from reputable websites, ensuring they are compatible with your mod loader and Minecraft version. Then, simply drag and drop these downloaded mod files into the mods folder located within your Minecraft directory. Finally, launch Minecraft using your modded profile to enjoy your new additions. Sometimes mods don't work perfectly, so troubleshooting is key. Always verify that your mods are compatible with both your Minecraft version and your installed mod loader. If issues arise, examine crash reports for clues about what went wrong. Remember to back up your game saves and files before making significant changes, especially when adding many new mods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.